In large businesses and entrepreneurial firms, you often find people that know finance and you find other types of people that know law, but seldom do you see people that know both. And these are the really vital individuals for the growth of businesses.
Our program is designed to equip you with the skills necessary to move confidently between the legal and the financial worlds in the context of a deal and to get a better understanding of the key drivers of transactions.
Compared to other programs out there, at LSE, the finance component is particularly strong. We have been teaching finance to students of all backgrounds since LSE was founded in 1895. And when people think about finance education, they think about LSE.
This involves the marriage of two truly great, globally great departments, the LSE Law School and the LSE Department of Finance. Now that means that when you're taking a course in corporate finance with my finance colleagues or a deals course with my law colleagues, you're being taught by leaders in the field. You're being taught by the people who've written the textbooks, who've written the articles that you'll be studying in class. And if you chose to study law and finance somewhere else, you'd still be reading those books and articles produced by my colleagues here.
Of course, this master's is going to be incredibly challenging. You're going to be pushed by one of the top finance departments in the world, as well as one of the top law schools in the world. However, finishing this master's will be incredibly rewarding for your career.
We have developed bespoke courses in law and in finance, dealing with corporate finance and with corporate transactions.
From an intellectual standpoint, this course is going to be very exciting because you will be looking at a particular deal, at a particular case, but you'll be looking at it from different angles, from the legal perspective and from the financial perspective.
Come next September, you will start corporate law modules, you will start finance modules. But before you start these things, we need to make sure that you are 100% ready, that you can hit the ground running when you start those modules. To enable that, this course provides an intensive pre-sessional program in finance, looking at things such as financial modeling and financial accounting, an intensive program in law, looking at things like legal financial concepts, contract law, an introduction to common law systems.
You will have the opportunity to take additional modules in law and in finance. This will enable you to tailor the program to your specific needs and interests.
What's key about a law and finance program is how closely we integrate those modules, how they work with each other, how they understand each other, how colleagues who are teaching them interact with each other, so they work as a whole. At LSE, in part because we work so closely together with finance, that we've built a program that does precisely that.
I believe our typical student will have a very strong background in law, although we will consider students who have not studied law in the past, but have gathered some experience in law or regulation after completing their undergrads. Our students will likely want to understand a bit more about the work they're doing, be that in law or in finance, and to generally get a better, more holistic understanding of how corporations raise capital and complete transactions.
We're in London. We're the London School of Economics. London is a global city. London is an amazing city. Again, I would say that I live here. I think London is one of the greatest cities in the world. It's an incredible space to spend a year. But there's more to London and LSE than just that. We are located at LSE right in the heart of legal and financial London. From a legal perspective, the Houses of Parliament are a kilometre down the road. The Royal Courts of Justice are literally next to us. Those strange wig-wearing barristers are literally 200 metres away in the Inns of Courts. From a financial and corporate and takeover transaction M&A perspective, of course, we are right next to one of the globe's major financial centres in the City of London and Canary Wharf. So it's that context, that financial and legal context, that truly brings studying LSE to life and will truly bring studying LSE Law and Finance to life.